What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. My name is Chanel. For those who are new here, of course, for those who are returning, I just want to say welcome back, and welcome back. So, of course, today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to achieve this look. Today is Valentine's Day. I don't know if you're gonna watch this video or if you're watching this video on Valentine's Day, but today is Valentine's Day, so I kind of wanted to do something, you know, a little spicy. But yeah, before we get into the video, I just want to say, you know, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a like. If you haven't subscribed to the vibe yet, I don't know what you're waiting for, go ahead and subscribe to the vibe. And then also don't forget to turn your notifications on and all that good stuff, okay? All right, so that's that for the introduction. Let's get into the video. First things first, we gonna prep our eyelids, and to prep my eyelid, I'm gonna use the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 4. There. And this is in the shade Rumor 4, of course. And I'm just gonna put that all over my lid just a little bit, and then of course I'm gonna blend it in. To create this look today, I am going to be using the Morphe James Charles, I almost said Pearls, but the James Charles palette. I am going to use the red, this it's like a brown type shade, and then also this brown type shade. This is like a more deeper, I don't know, it almost looks a little like plum like, but I don't know, it looks brown too, like a dark chocolate. But yeah, I'm gonna take all those shades, I'm gonna go in with the red first, and then I am going to use the lighter brown as a transition, and then I am going to use the this like darker chocolate to apply on the outside right here. Now for our liner, we're going in with our good old faithful NK Makeup matte liquid liner. And of course, I'm just going to create a winged liner today. And now for the glitter. So this is just some gold sparkly glitter. I got this from I just got it from the local beauty supply, and the brand is JCat Beauty, and this is Gold Road. So I'm just going to apply a little of that on top of that red and blend it in there. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do, just to add a little sparkle. Okay, y'all, so for my lashes, I am going to be using, and I know it's kind of bright, oh my goodness, I'm gonna be using using my lashes that I got off of Amazon in the style Spiky. I'm gonna use the ones, I'm gonna use them stacked to create, you know, cause baby, I gotta be Fafa. Me and my little boo, we about to go on a little date, so gotta be Fafa. Alright, so moving on to face. I've already primed my face and I used my my Fenty Beauty primer. And now I'm just gonna conceal all my dark spots with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. Today I'm not going to use foundation. Instead, I'm going to use my concealer from my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, and I'm going to use this middle shade here, the Sculpt shade, and I'm just going to apply that like I would apply, you know, my foundation. And the contour, which y'all know if y'all been watching me, that's my favorite part of my makeup. And of course, I'm going to go in with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Golden Honey. I'm just going to highlight under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my chin, and my forehead. To the contour, I'm going to go back in with that Black Radiance True Complexion palette. I'm gonna use the contour shade in there though. This time, of course, just to apply my contour. And like I didn't tell y'all yet, but I'm gonna contour my nose, my forehead, and my jawline, as well as my cheeks. Alright, now it's time to set, and I'm going to be using my Sacha Buttercup, which is this one, and my Juviasplace Magic Setting Powder. My Juviasplace is in the shade Gobi, and of course I just use those mixed together because it gives me the shade that I like. So of course I'm just gonna bake, well not bake, but I'm just going to set everywhere that I applied that highlight. Alright y'all, so since I've set my highlight and all that good stuff, I'm about to go in with my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, and I'm going to set my contour. And I'm going to be using the shade Sculpt out of this one. And of course, just, you know, set everywhere I apply my contour. To blend everything in, I am going to use my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I'm going to spray that all over my face, and of course just blend everything in so it can, you know, come together. Some blush today, and I'm going to go in with this is the Costal Scents blush palette, 10 blush palette, and I am, if I can get it open, I'm gonna go in with this blush shade here. I may mix it with that one, but I know for sure I'm gonna use this one, and I'm just going to, you know, apply a little bit to my cheeks and stuff. Time to add a little glow, and I am going to go in with the, ooh, y'all can't see that at all, the Laura Geller Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator, and I am going to use this middle shade here, which, oh yeah, ooh, I'm sorry. Oh, that's better. Okay, so I'm gonna use this middle shade here, which is the Golden Honey, and I'm just going to apply a little bit to my nose, my forehead, and my chin. So I just added a few, well, I just added those same colors that I did to do my eyelid at the bottom as well, and I kind of whitened my eye with a little bit of the NYX jumbo crayon. But now I'm gonna highlight my inner corner of my eye. I'm just gonna use a little bit of this NYX Ultra Pearl, and it's in the shade Yellow Gold, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of that in the corner of my eye to give it a little pop. Y'all, so that's that for the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed it. I want to say thank y'all so much for watching. You know, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the vibe, of course. And also, let's get social, okay? All social media is listed down below. Also, everything that I use will be listed down below as well. Okay, y'all? All right. Thank y'all again for watching. Happy Valentine's Day. Love y'all. Bye.